Tired of endless property searches that just don't match your ideal location? Today, I'm going to show you how to use Redfin's radius search feature to pinpoint properties within your preferred distance from work, school, or anything else that matters to you. Let's dive in. First, head over to redfin.com and enter the address, city, or even just a landmark that you want to be at the center of your search. In the search bar, I will be using the zip code 90,210 today. Once your target location is on the map, look for the Draw button. It will be in the top left corner. Click the Draw button to expand the options and select the circle with a radius. This is your radius tool. Now, click on the map where you want the center of your circle to be. That's your starting point. Then, drag your mouse outwards to expand the circle to your desired radius. The radius will be displayed, so you know the size of the circle you are creating. Redfin will automatically update the property listings to only show you homes within that defined circle, narrowing down the homes for you to view. To further refine your search, use the filters at the top to specify your price range, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, property type, and other criteria to ensure the homes suit all of your needs. And that's it. With Redfin's radius search, you can focus on the homes that are actually in the location that works for your lifestyle.